Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make very delicious gajar ka halwa. It is made with grated carrots and milk. People love to eat it in winter season. It is easy to make, so let me tell you what we need to make it. Carrots 1 pound, sugar 1.5 cup, extra virgin olive oil 1 cup, green cardamoms 3, and milk 9 cups. I have half cup of blanched almond and half cup of raisins. Wash them and make them dry to garnish a halwa. So let's start making halwa with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a pan add grated carrots. Then add 9 cups of milk, green cardamoms and sugar. Mix it and let it boil on high flame with closed lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start boiling after 18 minutes. Now keep the flame low and let it cook with open lid for more 45 minutes until carrots become soft. Inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 45 minutes, let me check if carrots become soft. Alhamdulillah, it is soft now. We will keep the flame high and cook it for 35 minutes without lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 35 minutes, add oil in it and cook it on high flame. It will splash oil, so keep the lid in front of you to protect yourself from burn. After 10 minutes, when it starts to thicken up, then it will not splash oil, so keep the lid off and cook it for more 5 minutes until you see a thin layer of oil on the edges of the pan. It becomes thick now and I can see oil on edges of the pan. Let me show you its final look. It is leaving the edges of the pan and is ready now, alhamdulillah. Let's garnish it with almonds, raisins and enjoy it together with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very delicious and yummy treat of winter. Gajar ka halwa is ready. Enjoy it with your loved ones and share recipe. I am so glad you guys are loving my recipes and giving me very good response. Jazakallah for your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram and stay connected. Allah Hafiz.